Hi guys, Ronnie here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I'm just finishing up my latest order, this TV console. Last thing I got to do is attach the top to the table. A few different ways you can do that. The latest way I've been using is with these tabletop clips, or Z-clips, they're also known as. So I'm going to show you how that's done, why you should consider doing it, and let's get started. Here are the grooves in the aprons that I ripped with my table saw. The clip just fits in the groove and with the whole side out, and that's where the screw would come up from the bottom into the top. I will use my fence on my table saw as the simulated top and line up the bottom of the clip where the groove would be with my saw blade so it lines up just right. Winds up being about 30 seconds of an inch. And then I'll put it down on the table saw to adjust for the depth of the groove by raising my blade up and down. I usually start out a little bit shallower than I need be, and then just raise the blade a little bit each time until I see that it is a good fit for the clip to go into the slot. Here I'm using a board as a fake tabletop, and you can see how the clip just slides right into that slot. It'll go back and forth, and the reason for these clips to be in the groove like this is to allow the wood, which will expand and contract, to slide back and forth and not cup the wood. So here I am centering it on the top, the table on the top, making sure it's all centered all the way around, and then putting the clips into place. Now you can see I stained the bottom of this tabletop. I highly recommend you take the time to do that. I had a customer return a table one time that wasn't stained, so it just takes a few minutes to stain it. So once the clips are all in place, I'll pull them out maybe 1/8 of an inch and use my punch to mark the spot so I know where the screw goes in, and I know that they're all about 1/8 of an inch. Then I will go and punch all the rest of them, and the reason for punching them is when you're screwing in, if some of them get knocked out of place, you know where they need to be screwed in because they're already punched. So here it is, screwing them in. Hey, if you get value out of this, can you give me a thumbs up? Well, that's all there is to it. The top is secured on and it's ready for my customer to pick up. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.